Okay, folks, today is May 3rd, 2020. The overseas market is already open for a couple of hours. We gap down. We are trading at 2774 area. We're basically sitting on a resistance. See, we gap down, coming down. Right here is the resistance. So let's talk about the coming week. What do I think of this market? Number one, I think the high, the short-term high that we have, that the short-term rally starting on March 23rd, all the way up here. I don't think this rally is done. I believe there should be a little bit more coming back up here to test the market 29 above the 2900 on the S&P. So we are looking at the ES of the S&P 500 chart, the daily chart. Some of the things that let me point out. If tonight and tomorrow's action, if we have the low of the day, if we broken 2755, that tells me that the market structure, the higher high, the higher low on a typical uptrend market is broken. So let's take a look at this daily chart. I'm shrinking it down. So overall the trend is up and the structure is pretty much holding up. A high here, a low here, a high here, a low here. This high is higher than this high, this low is higher than this low. So we have a higher high. So I hope that tomorrow's action or tonight's action, the low for the day should not break this 2755 area. More significantly, 2717. If it comes down in here, then I think the trend is the uptrend, the overall uptrend is ended. This will be a intermediate high that we will probably ever see for a while. Also, you have probably noticed from this chart, usually when we have a rally, we drop 2 days, then we have a reverse, and the market starting up. Drop 2 days, reverse, and the market starting up. So hopefully we have, we actually have a high of the day, but it's on that day it happened to be on the downside. It's actually trading down. So let's say 1, 2, 3. The market, I hope that tomorrow, because since I don't think that we have any kind of a significant good news or bad news, I believe the market can chop around here and then start covering this gap in here, probably go down, and then at the end of the market will probably shot back up again. I think that will be the pattern for tomorrow. And we should have a day that where most maybe a neutral day. By the time when we close, we should be maybe closing on the middle part of the range of tomorrow's trading range. This is what I think. Then on Tuesday, maybe another rally up. Tuesday or Wednesday, maybe another rally up. I think that eventually we will retest this 2900 area again. I would like to also mention that on the cash side, this is the cash index of the S&P 500. This is 2954. This low is 29.99. So we are 50 points away. Let's see, the 55. What is this high on here? 85. The close is 29.72. So I believe that come down, go up a little bit, go up a little bit, closing this gap in here. Either the market will be got stopped in here to come down, or they may actually even try as high as 31.36. Remember from my last weekly outlook, the market, when we get up above 2882, we are actually in the neutral area, all the way up to 3260. This is going to be the neutral area, but anything that above this, it's going to be bullish. I doubt that we can get up that high, because the economy is still weak, and we still haven't solved the coronavirus problem. So I think the market at best is looking at this high right here, or maybe they're closing this gap and then come down. Okay, that's it. This is the day trading realtor market outlook for the week of May 4th, 2020. Please subscribe. Thank you.